Hi everyone, we're going to make this beautiful rose flower bouquet. So let's get started. First we are going to cut this pink craft paper, cut the base of the paper cup and put all the papers around it like we're doing here. Now paste a double-sided tape and we are going to repeat the same process. Add another layer of the flower, remove it and put it on the top of this plastic bottle. Now cover it using mask and make a bouquet, and look, it is ready. We are going to make this beautiful greeting card. First we are going to cut this flower and then we are going to cut multiple petals of the flower and paste all of them one over another using double-sided tape. Cut a heart shape craft paper, write Happy Teachers Day and paste all of them on it, and it's ready. We are going to make these rose bouquets. Let's get started. We are going to cut this circle in spiral form. We are making a rose flower here. After curling the edges, we are going to roll it and paste it using glue, and look, your rose is ready. Make more such roses and fill the plastic bottle using clay and tissue paper. Paste all the roses on the top of it. Now cover it using mask. You can also use tissue paper and it's ready. We're going to make these blooming flowers inside heart shape. Let's get started. We are making flowers by folding this red craft paper. Make a triangular shape and cut the petals like this. Now draw lines inside it. Now cut a piece, fold it, and look, your flower is ready. Now fold it. Look how we are pasting it on the dots. Look at the black dots and paste it inside the heart shape using double-sided tape, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.